Today we are going to solve some basic maths questions from the past papers of GAT General Exam Quantitative Reasoning portion. Cost of 100 copies is 100x. After that the price reduces to x by 4 for each copy. We need to find the rate for 300 copies, which will be 100x plus 200x by 4, which will be equal to 150x. It states that the area of square is equal to the area of rectangle, that is 16. We are asked to find the perimeter of rectangle, which will be 2 plus 2 plus 8 plus 8, that is 20, and perimeter of square will be same as its area, that is 16. So the option will be none of above. We need to spot the largest number without calculator, so we will solve each and see. First one is 8 square equals 64. Second is 16 square equals 256. Third is again 16. Fourth is 2 plus 4 plus 16 equals 22. Last is 4 cube equals 64. So second one is the largest number, 256. This is a very easy question which says if x minus 4 equals 11, what will be x minus 8? First find the value of x, that will be 4 plus 11 equals 15. If x is 15, so x minus 8 will be 15 minus 8 equals 7.